Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling core services so changes take effect. Open Settings and turn on Location. Choose High Accuracy or GPS for precision. Next, sign into the account used by Find My Location and confirm the app has location and background permissions, otherwise changes won't apply. Once done, launch the Find My app or web dashboard so you can modify device location settings directly. This prepares the app to accept the new coordinates and propagate them to your linked devices. You now pick the specific device or profile and choose Edit or Set Location to change where it appears. If available, drop a pin on the map for exact coordinates, type an address for convenience, or use a simulated location tool if you need a temporary position. Make sure to choose the duration, permanent if you moved, temporary if testing, and confirm who can see the updated location. Once applied, the system updates linked devices and location history. This ensures other services respect the new coordinate. You finish by verifying the new location from a different device or the web dashboard to confirm propagation and correct timestamps. If the change doesn't show, restart the device and toggle location and app permissions. This often forces a refresh. Make sure privacy settings don't block sharing and that the app is up to date. If updates still fail, try the troubleshooting tip. Toggle airplane mode for a few seconds, then re-enable wireless connections to force a GPS and network resync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.